Hi there, I'm Thomas with Nuvo H2o. I want to first congratulate you on the purchase of your new Jayco RV. Included in your Jayco RV, you will receive a state-of-the-art 3-stage Nuvo H2o water treatment system. This 3-stage system will be located in your storage bay area for easy accessibility and system maintenance. On behalf of all of us here at Nuvo H2o, we are beyond proud to offer you and your family clean, healthy water while soaring in your Jayco RV. With that being said, welcome to Nuvo H2o. Now, if you're thinking, what is Nuvo H2o and what makes it so special that it's included in my Jayco RV? Nuvo H2o is your one-stop shop for filtration and scale protection, all natural and eco-friendly using the power of citrus. Typically seen in residential homes, Nuvo H2o has developed a compact RV system allowing RV owners to utilize and experience healthy, clean, mineralized water, all while protecting your RV from scale buildup. Instead of traditional salt or potassium, Nuvo H2o utilizes Citra Charge, an all-natural citrus formulation to soften and condition your RV's water. Developed initially for the food industry in the 1980s, this technology has been effectively treating water issues for major businesses nationwide. With Nuvo H2o, you can expect healthier, better-tasting water that prevents hard water scale buildup, crucial for protecting your RV's water system components. Now let's take a closer look at the system. Your Nuvo H2o system will come in 2 separate parts, the installed dry system and the Jayco Owner's Kit. The Jayco Owner's Kit, which will include 2 filters and Citra Charge softening cartridge, crescent moon wrench, lubricant, owner's manual with spec sheet, and a sample pack of Citra Charge to test in your home. The Nuvo H2o system contains these 3 main components to treat your water: sediment filter, iron and heavy metal filter, and our natural Citra Charge softening cartridge. The sediment filter serves as the initial defense for your RV system, effectively capturing and removing large particles like sand, rust, and other debris. The KDF iron and heavy metal filter is a 0.5 micron filter that enhances water's taste by removing iron content and preventing the damage of pipes, hoses, and heaters. It eliminates orange and brown stains in sinks, toilets, and showers, reducing dissolved iron. The softening cartridge prevents and removes hard water scale buildup by binding to hard water minerals like calcium and magnesium. This provides all the benefits of traditional soft water without the downside of high sodium content and removal of beneficial minerals. These filters and cartridges will need to be replaced every 5,000 gallons, giving you optimal time in between replacements and maintenance. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Nuvo H2o and our valued list of benefits. At Nuvo H2o, we pride ourselves on offering our customers the highest quality in water treatment. Whether it's in your home or in your RV, we're here to cover your water treatment needs. We invite you to not only experience these benefits on the road, but in your home as well. We have systems for all home sizes, big and small. With Nuvo H2o's family of products, you can experience these great benefits in your residential home: whole home filtration, natural scale protection throughout the entire home. Click the link in the Jayco landing page for a Jayco partnership discount on all Nuvo H2o products. With that being said, we're excited to join you on your journey as you soar in your new Jayco. And like we say at Nuvo H2o, don't be salty.